we are discussing the problems on Bayes theorem. Okay, so we consider a problem. In 2015, there were 3 candidates for the position of principal: Mr. Chatterjee, Mr. Iyengar and Dr. Singh, whose chances of getting the appointment were in the proportion 4:2:3 respectively. The probability that Mr. Chatterjee, if selected, would introduce co-education in the college is 0.3. The probability of Mr. Iyengar and Dr. Singh doing the same work respectively 0.5 and 0.8. Find the probability that there was co-education in the college in 2015. That is, here we want to obtain the probability there was co-education in the college. That is, we want to obtain the probability by total probability rule, the denominator of Bayes theorem, which is P of B. Okay, so equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n P of Ai into P of B given An. Let us consider the events. There are 3 alternative cases: Mr. Chatterjee, Mr. Iyengar and Dr. Singh as the 3 candidates for the position of principal. So that let us write A1, A2, A3. Let A1, Mr. Chatterjee as principal. Mr. Chatterjee as principal. A2, what is A2? Mr. Iyengar, A2. Mr. Iyengar as principal. Okay. And A3, Dr. Singh as principal. And as principal. And what is given? A1. Let us consider the A1. There was co-education. There was co-education in the college in the given year. Okay, it is in 2015. So that it is required to find P of B. If we find P of Ei given B, the result is by Bayes theorem, and this is the total probability. By total probability rule, by total probability rule, P of B, that is, this B can happen if A1 happens or A2 happens or A3 happens, so that P of B can be written as sigma I equal to 1 to 3 P of Ei intersection B. So equal to sigma I equal to 1 to 3 P of Ei into P of B given Ei. Now what about these probabilities? P of E1 as equal to, the ratio is 4:2:3 the ratio. So that out of 9 chances, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. Out of 9 chances, 4 chances are for Mr. Chatterjee. So P of A1 equal to 4 by 9. P of A2 so equal to 2 by 9. And P of A3 equal to 3 by 9. Here the total is equal to 1. Okay, equal to 1. Now what about the conditional probabilities? We are given directly here, given that Mr. Chatterjee, if selected, would introduce co-education in the college. His probability is 0.3. That is probability of co-education. If Mr. Chatterjee as principal, that is P of B given A1, the likelihood of B under A1, so it is 0.3. And given P of B given E2 as 0.5, P of B given E3 as 0.8. Okay, therefore P of B equal to, what about P of E1? 4 by 9 into the 0.3 plus 2 by 9 into 0.5 plus, what about 3 by 9 into, it is 3 by 9 into 0.8. Okay, 3 by 9 into 0.8. So that on simplification we get this result as, let us compute this probability, that is 4 by 9 into 0.3 plus 2 by 9 into 0.5 plus 3 by 9 into 0.8 and it is equal to 0.51. Okay, 0.51. This is the probability P of B, which is the denominator of the result based theorem. Okay, so it is, the result is total probability rule. Now let us consider the next problem. Similar problem, that is A, B, C are bidding on a contract for the construction of a bridge. Okay, the probabilities that A, B, C will get the contract are 0.5, 0.3 and 0.2 respectively. If A gets, he will select E as subcontractor with the probability 0.8. If B or C gets, E will be chosen with the probabilities 0.4 and 0.1. Before the main contract is awarded, find the probability that E will get the subcontractor. Here again, we have to apply the total probability rule to obtain probability E will get the subcontract. So let us consider three alternative cases as A1, A2, A3. Let A1 as A, what is it? A, B, C will get the contract. So A1, A will get the contract. A2 and A3 similar events. B will get the contract. And A3, C will get the contract. And what is the given event? E will get the contract. What is the given event? E will get the subcontract, as let us consider it as B. E will get the subcontract. And required to find the probability of B. Okay, required to find P of B. And we already have this result P of B by total probability rule, sigma I equal to 1 to 3 P of EI intersection B equal to sigma I equal to 1 to 3 P of EI into P of B given EI by total probability rule. Okay, now we consider this probabilities P of A1. P of A1 as 0.5, P of A2 equal to 0.3, P of A3 equal to 0.2, so that the total equal to 1. Okay, total equal to 1 and P of B given E1. What is it? If A gets the contract, he will select E as the subcontractor with the probability 0.8. P of B given E2 is 0.4 and P of B given E3 as equal to 0.1. Okay, it is directly given. We are given these probabilities. So, under the assumption A will get the contract, BE will get the subcontract with the probability 0.8 is given. So that under the assumption A1, the probability of B is 0.8 so and so. Okay. Now we find P of B. P of B equal to, already I have written the result, that is P of B equal to, what about P of E1? It is 0.5 into P of B given A1 0.8 plus P of A2 is 0.3 into P of B given A2 is 0.4 plus 0.2 P of A3 into P of B given A3 as 0.1. That is, the answer is 0.5 into 0.8 plus 0.3 into 0.4 plus 0.2 into 0.1. The answer is 0.54. Okay. So these probabilities, these two problems are based on the total probability rule. That is, we obtain P of B by the addition of these conditional probabilities. That is, we get P of B as equal to sigma I equal to 1 to 3 P of AI into P of B given AI. Okay. Thank you very much.